What we breathe defines what we are. Breathing good quality air is very important for our health. Are you always breathing the good quality air? How to make sure that the quality of the air you are breathing is very good? What if we are breathing the bad quality air? How to find? These are the questions that we are asking these days because of the Canadian wildfire that has been going through North America. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saroj Parajuli and today I'm going to talk about air quality. Due to the massive scale of wildfire in Canada, the air quality these days in North America has been very challenging, and getting out of our house is very challenging because we are breathing the air that is of very low quality. And the particulate matter 2.5 and PM2.5 and PM10 has been in higher amount in the air outside. Therefore, today I'm going to talk about the air quality and the wildfire that is occurring in Canada. For the last few weeks, it has been very challenging for me and my family to get out and breathe high quality air. Because of the wildfire that happened in Canada, we are experiencing a big issue in breathing, and sometimes we don't get out of our house for a few days because of the bad quality air. There has been a dangerous wildfire in Canada, and this has already covered more than 21 million acres of land in Canada itself, and that's the highest amount of land acreage and also the number of wildfire in Canada since 1989 wildfire. These wildfires started in late April and they were in the severe condition during the early week of May. This is the primary cause of the bad air quality that has been going on in North America. The amount of PM2.5 and PM10 are the major pollutants that is degrading the quality of air. So what is PM2.5 and what is PM10? PM2.5 is the fine particulate matter whose diameter is less than 2.5 micron. These include the dust emissions from burning woods and combustion of gasoline, oil and diesel. PM10 are the particulate matter which diameter is between 2.5 micron and 10 micron. These include dust emissions from wildfire, waste burning, and the dust particle from construction sites, and also from the dust particle that is brought by the wind. These dust particles PM2.5 and PM10 reduces the visibility of the air and affects the air quality in severe way. So let's see what concentration of PM2.5 and PM10 affects the quality of the air. If the concentration of PM2.5 and PM10 is less than 50, then the air quality is considered very good. And if the concentration of PM2.5 and PM10 is from 51 to 150, then it is considered not good for sensitive people. If the concentration of the PM2.5 and PM10 is between 151 and 200, then it is considered bad for all the groups. If the concentration of the PM2.5 and PM10 is from 201 to 300, then it is considered unhealthy. And if the concentration of the PM2.5 and PM10 is more than 300, then it is considered hazardous, and that is a very dangerous situation, and it will affect most of the animals and human beings. We will talk in detail about the current Canadian wildfire in the next video. If you like our content and want to learn more about the interesting topics like this, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like and comment our videos. Thank you so much and see you next week in the next video.